What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewisTrading.com. We're doing a quick review on a Starbucks call I made just last night in Ask a Trader and through our trade alert service. This was a very, very simple call that I made, and we put it out to the community, and I was calling for this flag flat top breakout to break. So here was the flat top area that we were looking to break out of. The flag actually started right all the way down here, kind of rallied up. You can see that there was multiple moves up, and it had pulled back, and it found this level of support right through here. Now, obviously, you probably know this already, but over the last little while, the S&P 500 has sold off and since snapped back very, very hard. And so what I was looking and calling for were laggers that just hadn't corrected like the S&P had and like some of the bigger base stocks in the S&P. And Starbucks was one of the ones that I found, called out, and it was a very, very simple play. You can see that Starbucks was range bound right through here, tested to the upside, came back in, bear faked, came back into its range, and I called for a 57.84 breakout yesterday night, and today it broke out, almost reaching our primary target of $59. And you'll see that this is probably going to keep moving tomorrow based on the markets holding the steam that it's got right now. You'll probably see that Starbucks will make its way up to about $61, almost with relative ease. If it breaks through that general area, you'll see this thing fire all the way through up into that $62 area. So right now, we've got the breakout. Starbucks is moving. And our first primary target of 59.70, session and a half, and it's going to be hit. And so just wanted to do this quick review, guys. If you're not involved in Ask a Trader, which is our webinar service that we host on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, or our trade alert service, you really should get involved. This is one of those things where we've got a large community of people that are subscribing to this service, and it really is a situation where you hit one trade and the service is literally paid for the year. It's just $29.99 to get involved. There's a link in the description box below if you want to come on board and see what we're doing and get videos sent to you a few times a week of actionable trades, where to get in, where to get out. Then, like I said, go into the description box below, click the link, get involved, and you will have your invites sent out to you right away. Again, this is Starbucks. Quick review. We sent this out last night. Today it broke out. You can see right through here. It's up 129 on the day, 2.23% on the day, and it's just getting started based on the momentum. If you have any questions here, I'm at info@jlewisTrading.com. Again, email is in the description box below. Do not hesitate to email me if you have any questions. And if you're not involved in Ask a Trader or our Trade Alert service, there is a link below. Get started, guys. Sign up today, and we'll see you in Ask a Trader.